A blessed day. Again, this is Teacher G, hoping that all are in good health and no battles in studying and answering our learning task. Praying also and hoping that everyone accomplished the task from week 1 to 4. Today, we are in the 5th week. So, have a good day. Our topic for today is all about nail structure and nail shapes. Here are the objectives. 1. Identify the structure of the nail and different nail shapes. 2nd, describe the different nail shape applicable to the structure of the nail. 3rd, illustrate the different nail shape according to the nail structure. And the last one, appreciate the importance of knowing the nail shapes according to the nail structure. The first topic that we're going to discuss is all about the basic information about nail. So when we talk about nail, it refers to a plate of keratin that lies on the tips of the fingers and toes. So why do we have nails? So the main purpose of the nail is to protect the fingers and toes. However, the fingernail also assists with certain physical activities in daily life. The next part is the structures of nail. First structure of nail is free edge. It is the part of the nail that can be filed and shaped. It is an extension of the nail flake that overlaps the hyponicum. Next is body of nail. This visible nail that rests on the nail bed up to the free edge. This is made of brown dead cells and minimum amount of moisture. Next is lateral nail fold. It is the tissue that encloses the nail matrix at the root of the nail. Another is lunula. It is the crescent-shaped whitish area of the bed of a fingernail or toenail. Next is cuticle, the overlapping epidermis around the nail. It is the transparent skin which is called the true cuticle that is removed during the manicuring process. Again, the first part under structure of nails are free edge, body of nail, lateral nail fold, cuticle, and lunula.